Fiber. See, you go out there and you give it 100%.
Okay, coach, I give it 105%.
You're probably wondering where I am with all these exercycles. Well, this is where all the players warm up. This is also where they wind down and, you know, just get ready for the game. Not everyone has access to this place. Hey, yeah, good thanks. Only very important people like myself. So, you know, that's what's awesome about the Wellington Sevens. Fresh. Yep. Hey people, my name is Tofiga Fepulea'i, and some of you may know me as one half of the Laughing Samoans. Others may have seen me on a billboard posing for Calvin Klein. Or you may have seen a movie where I was a stunt double for Dwayne Johnson, The Rock. But anyway, I'm going to tell you a story about me. Born and raised in the capital city of New Zealand, this is my story. This is my world. Now, one of the most important parts of my life is my church family and my faith. And right here, we're at the church that I attend. I've been here most of my life. And it's awesome because not only do I have my immediate family, but I also got my church family, and they keep a good eye out on me, especially when I was a young kid. And just to talk about, you know, the whole entertainment buzz and how I got up on stage. And I didn't attend any drama school or anything like that. This was my drama school, and I started learning how to act at a very early age at White Sunday. And there's no stage fright, no such thing as stage fright in our Samoan churches, because you have that telepathic sort of thing with your mums. You know, they give you that look. My mum's funny. I think I get my humour off my mum. My mum's, she's a very physical type comedy type stuff. You know, she can dance, she can sing, and she's got very good timing and a very funny lady. But the fast twitch fibers I get off my dad, that's why I can run real fast, about 11.2 seconds over 5 meters. I went to classical lessons for about couple of months, and I really didn't like it. So once I learned the basics, you know, just all the white keys, what they were, I just went home and started teaching myself, and then just started, you know, listening to stuff and just copying that, and so it was pretty much more self-taught than going to a school and stuff. I'm an only child, but I was raised with my 3 first cousins, who are my mum's brother's sons. And I've always called them my brothers, and they've always been like brothers to me. So people don't actually, a lot of people that know us don't realize that until later that we're actually first cousins, because we're really close. I love my family and I love my brothers, and you get to see how our family has expanded from my brothers. Now they got wives, we all got wives, and we all got children. But we still enjoy coming together, and the one thing we really love is singing together as a family. So, yeah, it's awesome. Yesu ise ainga tas sau.
Yesu ise ainga o se ainga. Ainga fifia. Yesu ise ainga o se ainga. Ainga fia. When Jesus in the family, happy, happy home. Happy, happy home. Happy, happy home. When Jesus in the family, happy, happy home. Happy, happy home.
Okay, we're standing outside one of the most memorable moments of my life, and that's here at my old college. Rongotai Boys College, which is in Wellington, the eastern suburbs, and the school motto is Lumen Ecape et Imperte, which is Latin for receive the light and pass it on. But when I came to the school, it was receive the lunch and pass it on. I was hard out breakdance. A lot of people try to copy it, but I was from the streets. I used to battle a lot of groups. They used to come into Newtown, Lau Bay, Kilbirnie. They used to want to battle me, so there'd be about 4 of them in their crew, and it'd be just me. I'll take them out. I was too good. I'll first start with my footwork, you know, then go to the ground on my knees, you know. Just to utilize the, the fast twitch fibers. And then I'll come back up, start, popping, locking, things like that, that was a snake, that was cobra. That means that, I got you, psh. And then when I got you, psh, that's it, you're gone. Full stop. Yeah, oh, that was amazing. Nowadays, I need an inhaler or need to break dance near the hospital, just in case something happens. But I still got fast twitch fibers. You reckon? Woo! Now I do double cobra. Because just in case there's more of them. Well, people, that was just a snippet of my life. But right now, we're going to go to the freshest guy ever down at the Wellington Sevens. Here we go. You know you're fresh from Fiji when you hear them say...
Check it out, I wanna go back to the islands, back to the roots, pack my bags up and be there soon. Coconut trees, that island.
We've got Samoans, Māori and an Indian, but they're all dressed up supporting Canada. Why is that?
Our ancestors came from Canada, went to Samoa, New Zealand and India, and now we're all here representing Canada.
Enough of this craziness. Hope to see you again with some more fresh. Woo!
I just can't let you go.
So we gotta make a decision to what it is.
Ghost
Town.
Ghost Town. Kiss me till the sun goes down. Ghost Town, Ghost Town, Ghost Town, Ghost Town.
As you can see, heaps of people all dressed up, costumes and everything, but you can still notice our Pacific people with their Polynesian tattoos. For example, Fred Frost in Compton, Andy Tawafiafi here in Wellington, and I got my sister Ala from Auckland. Who was the tufunga that did your malu?
Suluape did it.
And what was the reason for you getting it?
My dad has passed on in 2006, so I got this done in 2007 for my dad.
Oh, awesome. Very nice malu.
Thank you.
Yeah, you got a boyfriend?
I have a husband.
Oh, he must have seen the whole malu. Yeah, right. We're going to throw it back to you guys there and see who else has been inked.
I'm Anne Hukiavave. I'm of Cook Island and Māori descent. My father hails from the Cook Islands, his mother's from Aitutaki and his father's from Rarotonga, and my mother is New Zealand Māori from here in Aotearoa. I really love my tattoo because of what it means, and also it comes from my home country. I got this done in the Cook Islands last year in July, and basically in the tattoo is the lizard or the moko, and that represents a guardian, but it's also a cheeky animal, which is very much what I'm like. I'm quite a cheeky person. And also the tipani, or the flower, represents the beauty of the islands. Within the body of the moko, these patterns here, this is called the ruru, and that represents the island of Aitutaki, which is where my grandmother comes from. And this pattern here in the tail, just right across the top, is the Morima, or the Tiki Tangata, which represents the unity of the people in Rarotonga. It's very cultural for me, I love it.
It's the way that she loves me. It keeps me running back for more. And she tells me that she needs me. So it's got to be for sure. It's her sweet loving that I can't let it go. It's a sweet loving. I just can't let you go. I'm gonna take my time every single time. I wanna take it slow. It's how I let you know I wanna be with you every single day, because I love you, baby. I'm gonna take my time every single time. I wanna take it slow. That's how I let you know I wanna be with you every single day.
Now, one of the things I love about the IRB7s when it comes to Wellington is that there's always heaps of support for our Pacific teams, even when you're not a Pacific Islander. But here's something that's real Islander, our poly postcard.
Talofa everyone, my name is Helen Mangasiva, and I'm here to show you my world and where I'm living, and I'm here in Jakarta, Indonesia. So enjoy. So I'm just going to show you a little bit about where I stay and just my area, and also take you to my favorite place. No, not my favorite, but just one of the places that I mainly go to. So this is just one of the places that I come and just whatever I want, just buy fruits, and they've got really different sort of fruits here. I don't know what this is, but they've got heaps of stuff, Yellow watermelon, yeah, just heaps. So this is where I come. Imperial Kitchen dim sum, really nice food here, and real fresh, and the people are really, really good. So I come here and chill out. I'm a teacher here in Jakarta. I teach in the international stream here, 5 and 6s. We have a really nice school, so this is where I teach. This is where I stay in the complex with all the other expatriates, and yeah, it's just a real nice, quiet area, very not secluded, but just secured 24 hours, and we have a pool at the other side for the whole complex, and just the playground for the kids. So yeah, this is where I stay, and what I come home to every day from school. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you just saw just a little glimpse of what I do. Not what I do, but just where I live and just my hood. Okay, and yeah, see you later.
Hey, follow me, your weekly Balisco. Aries, I saw you in the dark behind the garage, next to the fence, standing by yourself. Why are you standing like that for? Don't you have a mobile aid? Just text, bro. Why you want to lurk in the background like a tricky guy for?
I think I found some cookies.
Run as fast as you can! You can't catch me! I'm the gingerbread man!
Well, they're definitely not the cookies I was looking for. That's what you call fresh.
I've got a definite top 2. I can't decide from the rest. Number 3, it's just too hard for me.
We gotta make a decision what we want.
What do you reckon?
You know, whether we go with
really
all
hard.
girls group and the whole show's all girls, whether we add that beautiful Fijian song to it. So we gotta make a decision to what it is.
Hey,
Gan.
Pagan. I whip my hair, pagan. If I whip my hair, pagan out.
Welcome back to Fresh. You're here with Finger the Winger and my soldiers, where we're going to throw it back to Hustle and Fresh to see who our winner is. 1, 2, 3, Fresh!
Last week on Hustle It Fresh, we saw the final performance from our 6 contestants. But our judges were stumped when deciding on the final 3.
Look, guys, out of the 6, I've got a definite top 2. I can't decide from the rest. Number 3, it's just too hard for me.
We gotta make a decision on what we want. You know, whether we go with
really
all
hard.
girls group and the whole show's all girls, whether we add that beautiful Fijian song to it. So we gotta make a decision to what it is.
It was a battle between Fijian crooner Daniel and the fruity Polytropics.
Number 1 finalist is Leito.
Number 2 was FMC Vixen.
Number 3, Polytropics.
Now Vela must decide who the overall champion will be. To help him choose, we went to EMI marketing guy Jeff Newton.
I have 3 exciting artists. What should I be looking for in terms of trying to market these artists international?
It's looking for those points of difference. And at the end of the day, it's also about skill.
Got the top 3 on DVD.
Well, we better have a look at them then.
Let's take a look at them, cuz.
Take me back, take me back, take me back.
Polytropics.
For an international audience, I think we're going to need to contemporise them a little bit.
Amazing grace, ah, so sweet, sweet in the heart.
She's got a beautiful voice, very, very strong voice, and she's got good control of it.
Finally, FMC Vixen.
You call it in the air of the night, and the haters keep it in, just the sign of the times. Tell me who like to ride.
She's up against it. There's female MCs in this day and age. You know, they kind of struggle, and you know, Missy's probably the only one that's really doing it on a global scale.
Out of those 3, you know, who will you select?
Well, it's a tough one because they're all very good at what they do. You know, looking at them, I'd have to say Leitua is probably your best bet at the moment. She's got the chops to succeed.
Thank you, Jeff.
No worries, brother.
Thank you for your time, man.
No worries.
Appreciate it. I'm gonna go.
Good luck on your decision there, brother.
Next, some advice from beatsmaker, music producer David Artai from Nesian Mystic.
How are you, my brother?
I'm good, cuz. How you doing?
Good. I got the top 3 right here with me, brother.
Sweet.
Let's check him out.
Sweet. It sounds to me like, you know, the voice that leads the choir in church or something. The way she performed the song is makes me believe.
What do you think?
Well, I didn't expect to see that come out of her. Yes, and she'd be a breath of fresh air to the hip-hop world, I think.
We used to laugh together.
Polytropics. What do you think?
They're very good. Vocally, I think, you know, just a little bit pitchy.
Brother David, we've seen the top 3. Now I need you to select. Help me help the whole of Aotearoa.
If I was to choose one, I'd go for FMC Vixen.
Well, thank you, my brother.
Sweet, my brother.
Much appreciated.
With so much at stake and conflicting opinions, Vela checks out the voice of the people online before making his final call. Now Vela is ready to take the news to the unsuspecting recipient of our grand prize. And the winner of Hustle It Fresh 2011 is...
What? Honest. Honest. Are you honest? Honest. Thank you so much. Thank you.
No, thank you.
Sorry, just
No,
I was in shock. Just shock, disbelief. I just felt that my prayers had been answered because I really do deserve this, and I want to say I thank you for this opportunity. Thank you guys. It's me.
Yeah.
I'm just really, really overwhelmed and humbled right now. So again, I just want to say thank you to everyone.
She, Vixen, can hustle it fresh.
In the end, it wasn't just her performance, but the heart behind her original composition that took the solo mum from South Auckland to the top. Thanks to sponsors Smoke-Free Pacifica Beats, the people who bring you the annual high school competition that's launched the careers of many fledgling Pacific artists. Check out the website for all the details for this year. And this is what FMC Vixen has won. A $2,000 cash prize, a professional music recording with Beats maestro David Atai, which will then be filmed in her own music video.
Hustle It Fresh 2011 champ, FMC Vixen, yeah!
Tell me who like to ride all day, all night. Keep your ear to the sound of the streets. Stay hot, cause I can hear them calling.
Fresh would like to congratulate FMC Vixen, our overall winner. Stay tuned for her brand new music video to be screened in the coming weeks.
Hey, follow me, your weekly Bali score. Leo the lion. I'ma punch your face and just kidding. Leo, you too cheeky. Are you cheeky? Nobody like the cheeky. Stop the cheeky. And your legs are fat.
As you can see, it's still happening here. The Sevens over 2 days, 48 hours. I've had enough, but I want to thank you for joining me and sharing this Fresh moment. But this is what's going to be happening on Fresh next week.
Oh, no.